Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 37 and teach you how to use there is, there are in our day-to-day life. For example, there are 7 days in a week. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 37. There is, there are. Section A. There is a man on the roof. There is a train at 10:30. There are 7 days in a week. Singular. There is there is not. It means there isn't or there is not. There is a big tree in the garden. There is nothing on TV tonight. A. Do you have any money? B. Yes, there is some in my bag. A. Excuse me, is there a hotel near here? B. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. We can't go skiing. There isn't any snow. Plural. There are there are not, or there aren't. There are some big trees in the garden. There are a lot of accidents on this road. A. Are there any restaurants near here? B. Yes, there are. Or no, there aren't. This restaurant is very quiet. There aren't many people here. How many players are there in a football team? There are 11 players in a football team. Section B. There is and it is. There is a book on the table. It is. I like this book. It's interesting. Compare. What's that noise? It's a train. There is a train at 10:30. It's a fast train. There is a lot of salt in the soup. I don't like this soup. It's too salty. Now it's time for exercises. 37.1. Cantham is a small town. Look at the information in the box and write sentences about Cantham with there is, there are, or there isn't, or there aren't. Number 1. There isn't a castle. Number 2. There are a lot of restaurants. Number 3. There is a hospital. Number 4. There isn't a swimming pool. Number 5. There are 2 cinemas. Number 6. There isn't a university. Number 7. There isn't any big hotels. 37.2. Write sentences about your town or a town that you know. Use there is, there are, or there isn't, or there aren't. Number 1. There are a few restaurants. Number 2. There is a big park. Number 3. There is a university. Number 4. There are a lot of big shops. Number 5. There isn't an airport. Number 6. There aren't many factories. 37.3. Write there is, there isn't, is there, or there are, there aren't, are there. Number 1. Cantham isn't an old town. There aren't any old buildings. Number 2. Look, there is a picture of your brother in the newspaper. Number 3. Excuse me, is there a bank near here? Yes, at the end of the street. Number 4. There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 sisters, and me. Number 5. How many students are there in the class? 20. Number 6. The road is usually very quiet. There isn't much traffic. Number 7. Is there a bus from the city center to the airport? Yes, every 20 minutes. Number 8. Are there any problems? No, everything is okay. Number 9. There is nowhere to sit down. There aren't any chairs. 37.4. Write sentences with there are. Choose from the boxes. 7, 8, 15, 26, 30, 50. Letters, players, planets, days, states, September, the USA, a rugby team, the solar system, a week, the English alphabet. Number 1. There are 7 days in a week. Number 2. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Number 3. There are 15 players in a rugby team. Number 4. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Number 5. There are 30 days in September. Number 6. There are 50 states in the USA. 37.5. Write there is there, or it's, or is it. Number 1. There is a train at 10:30. Is it a fast train? Number 2. I am not going to buy this shirt. It's too expensive. Number 3. What's wrong? There is something in my eye. Number 4. There is a red car outside your house. Is it yours? Number 5. Is there anything good on TV tonight? Yes. There is a program I want to see at 8:15. Number 6. What's that building? It's a school. Number 7. Is there a restaurant in this hotel? No, I am afraid not. This is the end of unit number 37. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 38. Till then, bye bye.